now we can start editing our clip. I have this idea that I want to start my video and I want to roll through the trees before my title appears. If you notice, it gets to a certain point and the video starts going backwards. So to make that accurate cut, I'm going to zoom in to the timeline and I'm going to see if I can get to the point on my timeline where I want the video to stop. So I kind of want to just get through the trees here to about there. Just get rid of this so I can see the full frame. Let's go a little bit further, about there. But when does it cut? Keeps traveling. Okay, that's quite good. I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop there, I think. So I want to split the track here, and this icon over here is the split icon. So I've moved the timeline indicator to exactly where I want the cut to be, and I'm going to click on cut, and I'm going to delete the clip to the right of the timeline. So now I have created the my first clip. I've decided how I want things to be, and now I can start adding some other layers to this. So I get to about here and I'm going to add some text.